Hey everyone, Luke here with the Joint Replacement Therapist. For today I wanted to share with you another great exercise to do after your joint replacement surgery. This is an exercise to strengthen your quadricep muscles, so the muscles on the front of your thigh that help extend or straighten your knee. What this exercise is called is long arc quads or seated knee extensions. So what you're going to do is sit in a chair, feet flat on the ground, your good nice posture, and all you're going to do is straighten the leg up and then back down, nice and slow and controlled. I like to do about 3 sets of 10 on each side. If you're able to do that nice and comfortably, that's a good sign that you can increase the resistance for the next time you perform the exercise. So as you see, I have a nice little ankle weight on this leg. If I'm able to do 3 sets of 10 with pretty good ease, nice form, then next time I'll increase the weight by 1 or 2 pounds and see how I do.